A tiny lost wolf cub. A tiny heartbeat fights to survive. Exhausted and frozen, seeking warmth, but finding a trap instead. Time was running out until the rescue team finally heard him. Back at the rescue base, an urgent signal sparked movement. The team gathered decoding drone footage and tracking signs of life. The team cut through the wilderness until they saw it, the log, and a pair of barely moving ears. Body frozen, but still alive. Rushed from the snow to safety, the cub was placed in caring hands. One heartbeat at a time. A fragile life pulled back from the edge. And finally, his first meal in days. Day by day, his steps grew stronger. His eyes opened wider. Who knew the wild was calling him back? It was time to be back to where he belonged. One life saved, a symbol of how far compassion can reach. This is not just a rescue, it's a second chance at life. Subscribe to Mystic Chronicles for more such stories.